Oh, sorry. Hello, and welcome. Right, we've got the lemon mead this time. Now, of course, I have tried this, and yeah, it's very lemony. Something I didn't think about is that it's very tea. Tea. Yeah, not clear. It's very not clear, but to be honest, it looks good anyway. I've got no problem with it being cloudy. I don't think. I would assume most people wouldn't, to be honest. Oh yeah. So you'll see in the video, I back sweetened the heck out of this. Went a bit too far by accident. So that was, yeah. But I'll put all the information up here or over there somewhere for you to see. But yeah, this is a lot sweeter than most people would make a sweet drink. Um, but to be honest, I really like it. I do, I've got a very heavy sweet tooth, let's say that much. So I've got no problem with how sweet it is. You can, like, the honey comes through like crazy because it's so sweet. So I suppose if you wanted less of the honey and more of the lemon flavor, then that would be best. But yeah, it's surprisingly nice. You'd think the lemon would be very overpowering, but it's not at all. I do find that if you suck on a lemon and it makes your mouth go all, I'm not sure if it's dry or it might be dry. But you have that sort of feeling in your mouth after that. It's definitely resembles that a lot. The last time I tried this, I thought I tasted more tea in this, but I suppose it is. I think if you compare it to like a lemon iced tea, it's very similar to that. I can't remember how strong this came out, but the alcohol actually on it is not strong at all. Probably because it's so sweet. I'm not sure. I'm guessing it lessens the amount of alcohol that's in it the more sweet it goes. So yeah, I don't know. That's one worth checking on. But I suppose if you want less alcohol taste, then just sweeten it like crazy, and that will die down a lot. This has been in the fridge for maybe a week, maybe a little bit longer now. I'm a bit behind on my tasting, so that's just the cat going to the toilet. That is not appetizing to watch. Oh dear. Yeah, I mean, I could sit and drink that, no problem for the whole evening. I love the way that the homebrew feels when it's like sat in your stomach, because it's nowhere near. I'm not sure if you can hear that. Probably. He likes to go crazy. Are you quite done? He's not. Yeah, you can definitely hear that. Alright. They are so rubbish at covering their own. Yes. Anyway, this is lovely. Yeah, definitely overdid the sweetness. But that's probably, it just probably makes it a lower ABV lemon mead, which is probably best off being. I've had a very low percentage lemon beers, and those are really nice. So I think, if I made this again, I'd probably put less tea in it. I know it's to balance out the acidicness, but I'd rather just to see what a mead with lemon flavor is like without having that tea aspect. But the tea does make it good consistency. I think that's obviously the tannins. It's a really nice, thicker consistency. So it's, yeah. Yeah, I'm just left with a very sweet, slightly lemony. I would say actually, slightly. It is very lemony. Flavor into it. So, yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna go. That's another one I'll go and enjoy. So, thank you for your time.